everyone, I'm Kai Tian from Diploma in Communication. I would like to speak about youth of change and what I can do to make a difference for the ocean. I'm a mermaid who loves the ocean very much. I just went to an international mermaid workshop at Phuket. This is the one who came out few months ago at New Straits Times. It talked about what mermaids should do, and as the ambassador of the ocean, we have to protect the ocean and do not simply kill the creatures of the sea. So youth have to change their attitude and mindset to the ocean. We do not simply throw rubbish into the sea, and we have to save electricity or water. So what I can do to make a difference for the ocean? To protect the ocean and the creatures in the sea, I stopped have any seafood because I don't want to hurt any creatures in the sea. I don't take any seafood anymore. Besides that, I went to an anti-shark finning campaign in Pattaya to show everyone that sharks are not monsters and they are really beautiful creatures. They really lovely and they do not simply bite. They just been portrayed by the Hollywood so that everyone thought sharks will bite and they are really a monster. Other than that, I always encourage people do not use plastic bags if possible. I encourage the people around me to bring along recycled bags when they outing so that we can reduce the amount of plastic bags. I urge everyone to make an effort to refuse plastic bags at grocery shops just to make a difference for our world. Hopefully, youth can change their mindset and be responsible to the world. We have to do something that can change the environment of the world. So we can make a better future and better life for the next generation. Thank you.